welcome back to my channel. So first things first, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
Thank you so much for clicking on this video. You get a dance, you get a dance, you get a dance, girl. And my old time subscribers, y'all know how I feel. Y'all have my heart. It's just, thank y'all so much for clicking on this video as well. I appreciate you guys. So I'm thinking about starting a series where I revisit old products that I used to swear by. Y'all, I used to swear by these products. Why, chunk, the Hawaiian Silky 14-in-1 and the gel activator. These were like my eco styler gels back in the day. So I'm a little nervous. I don't know if you can see in my face. Okay, I'm a little nervous because it's been some years. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do the process like I normally would do. Now, if you are visiting, hey girl again. So I do split my hair into 4 sections, and then I subsection those sections, or that section that I'm on currently. So I take my dim brush. My hair is already pre-detangled, but I like to go ahead and smooth and just make sure, you know, everything is just right for application purposes. Okay, so if you never use a 14-in-1, this is the consistency. All right, I use quite a bit because I'm heavy-handed with my products. All right, no shame in my game. Okay. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and rake and smooth in the 14-in-1. Now, as we know, or you may not know, it's supposed to be a miracle worker, okay? It's supposed to moisturize your hair, define your curls, soften the hair, add shine, smooth dry scalp, reduce breakage, and strengthen, okay? For healthy weaves and braids, repairs chemically damaged hair, non-greasy, detangles, increases body thermal protection, and helps relieve burning sensation. Y'all, when I say this doesn't do half the stuff that it says, it just doesn't. It didn't define any part of my curls. As you can see, this is a gel activator. Now, I don't like the smell. It smells like a cleaning product. I was more of a fan of the 14-in-1 back in the day. So the gel activator I did use when I was kind of introducing myself into gels. So I did ultimately start with the 14-in-1 because I thought I was doing something. But you know what? You grow up and you learn and you move on to bigger and better things. Hey, come on.
That bless me.
But anyway, so as you can see, it is defining my curls, not as well as the Eco Styler would do, but I'm still going to give it a try, give it a go. I'm going to go ahead and subsection and get those roots. So it doesn't matter the product, I'm more than likely going to get my roots just like you would get your roots if you are pressing your hair or flat ironing your hair, okay? You're not going to leave them extra poofy. I'm not going to leave mine extra poofy with my wash and go, okay? So I was really like, oh, this is what we doing? Okay. I was very surprised. I didn't expect this at all, but I don't, you know, get too excited until the end results after my hair has dried. But I'm taking one of my best friends, which is the dim brush, and I am getting my curls together because, especially with a different product that my hair is not familiar with, I like to go ahead and just really get that dim brush to help me smooth in the product, as well as smooth my cuticles and define my curls just a little bit more. So again, I am using the 14-in-1 as my leave-in. So I'm using it as leave-in because it claims to moisturize your hair and do a whole bunch of other things. So I'm using that. I did find that my hair did feel dry. It wasn't feeling like I was adding a moisturizing product, but that's because it has a lot of ingredients in this 14-in-1 that are not hydrating to your hair, which I will discuss later on in this video. But yeah, y'all, we gonna go ahead and complete what we said we was gonna do in this video. So I'm just getting my frizz prone areas, really working in the products together, and I do have some white residue, but it, of course, as it dries, it goes away. So this is pretty much how that side is looking, and we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Apply my 14-in-1 with the hair on my face I didn't know about, and we're going to turn around, show you guys a back shot of me doing my hair. I'm just really massaging in the product. I do this with all of my products, even ones that I'm familiar with, like the Eco. I still use my dim brush. It just really helps to get the results that I desire. This side of my hair is a little bit more trifling. Okay. So I have to really work in the product and kind of use the dim brush to aid in giving me bouncier curls, because that side of my hair is looser than the other side, so I need a little bit of help, especially if I'm not using a product like the Eco Styler, which my hair is very familiar with. As you can see, like the front of my hair is way looser on the other side. No, it's not damaged. My hair's always been like this on one side, so just gotta get a little bit of help, a little bit of help, a little bit of prayer, a little bit of help, and yeah. So as I was going on with my day, I said, you know what, I don't think this is gonna come out. So let me go ahead and further help this product out and shingle my hair. Now, if you're not familiar with shingling, it's a really good process to use to ensure mega definition. Okay, so it's just awesome. It takes time to do, but you're just smoothing in the product. Furthermore, like, I just rake and smooth my product, but actually going back and shingling either with extra product or just a product that's already applied to the hair is going to give you really good results. Okay, it's really defining every strand. So yeah, when I'm just encountering a product that I know needs a little bit of help, okay, I will go ahead and shingle my hair. So it did help a little bit, but not in the areas where I really need that help. With the certain ingredients that are in the Eco or just a familiar product. So I did have a lot of frizz, but it wasn't too bad. So I believe every part of this video is super self-explanatory, but I want to come on here and say, hey girl, and just kind of talk y'all through whatever. So I'll come back with my final results, so stay tuned. Way back in the day, probably like 2010, 2011, I was just trying to get in this whole wash and go thing. I was more of a twist out, braid out, roller set person. Can you believe it?
I know she damn lying.
That's all I used to do back in the day.
She ain't for real.
Wash and go it just didn't work for me back in the day. But now this is all I wear, obviously, if you are subscribed. Hey girl, hey, okay. I used to swear by Hawaiian Silky, and I still do as far as a moisturizer, although it's not the best moisturizer due to the ingredients in it, because it does have mineral oil in it, which we know, or if you don't know, it's an ingredient you probably don't want to use often because it doesn't allow moisture to enter the hair. That's also a controversial ingredient. Some people don't have a problem with it, some people do. I personally just don't use it often, so using this really isn't going to mess with my hair. This is just me, okay? So yeah, it just doesn't have the best ingredients in this. I used to love using this back in the day. I have a lot of frizz, especially my frizz prone area, which is this all right here. Will I ever, revisit? Probably not. It's not for me. My hands are extremely sticky and just very, I don't know, it's just, it don't feel that good, okay? It doesn't feel that good. My hair feels like extremely soft, but it feels like that overload of moisture where it's just like mushy almost. And every time you touch it, your hands feel like you need to wash your hands. But that was expected. I was just curious, okay? I was just curious to see how my hair now would react, because my hair back then was more damaged. I had looser curls because my hair wasn't used to really being in a curly state. I used to straighten it pretty often. Y'all know my story. Just curious to see how it was gonna work. I'm not gonna revisit. That's what we not gonna do. That's what we not gonna do that. Let me know if you guys still use it, how you feel about it. The ingredients aren't the best, all right? But then again, neither is Eco Styler, so
understand you.
Try
Thank you.
I didn't expect good results, y'all. I'm just gonna keep it real. So I have places to be, people to see. I'm gonna go ahead and pineapple. Ugh, my hair just feels like it needs to be washed. I'm just simply going to do this one time. I go out like this a lot when I'm trying to stretch my hair. Like say if I'm going somewhere at night, I'm like, let me go ahead and stretch my hair out a little bit. I'll just run errands like this. So I do have to run some errands. I gotta be a few places. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put my hair up like this. Very just off to the side, type of ponytail. You know, put some side hair out, some back hair, let it just fall. And maybe I might throw on some hoops and a sweatshirt, and people think I tried, but it really was. I just did a video and my hair didn't really come out, and then my hair feels sticky and mushy, and that's why it's up like this. Also, if you have any products that you are interested in me trying, please leave it down below, okay? But please be considerate and think, you know, I'm not balling like that yet. You see how I threw that yet in there? You know, you speak what you want to happen. Hey, come on. So I'm not balling yet.
Okay.
You know, some of y'all be like, you try the shampoo, conditioner in the entire line. I be like, look, I ain't got entire line money, you know. So you know, be kind and maybe request maybe two products for me to try. You know, shampoo and conditioner, shampoo and a gel, shampoo and something. You know, not the entire 5-6 items. You know what I mean? If you have messaged me with some things you want me to try and I have not tried it yet, just be mindful that it's a lot. You know, people do other things with brands, and I'm just keeping it real. So please just give me patience. If it's easy to find, I'm gonna try it. If it's affordable, okay, please hear my heart. Please leave it down below. But yeah, anyway, I'm rambling, all right? Just what happened. Make sure to follow me on social media. Also, if you have not liked this video, go ahead down below, click that little thumbs up right there for your girl. If you have not subscribed, I think that you should
Get your love.
I'm just saying. I love y'all so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for your time, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Love every beat, love every beat.